Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 11. When through every gate, sense of the body, the light of intelligence shines, then it may be known that sattva is predominant.
Chapter 14, Shloka 11. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate jnanam yada tada vidyat vivruddham sattvam ityute.
Chapter 14, Shloka 11. How to know when a particular guna is predominating over the other gunas? The light of consciousness reflected in the intellect is the beam of light that illumines the world of objects. The gunas are the influences under which the mind and intellect live. A clean and steady reflecting medium will reflect more efficiently than an unsteady, unclean surface. Rajas creates agitations and makes the intellect unsteady. Tamas creates wailings and makes the intellect unclean. The greater the proportion of rajas and tamas, the lesser will be the intelligence. The more we go beyond rajas and tamas, the more our bosom will be full of sattva, and our capacity to analyze and to understand grows, to observe and to become aware of the world outside and judge it correctly. By observing the symptom, we can tell under the influence of which guna the personality is working at any given moment. The senses are the windows of knowledge through which the perceived world of objects enters us. Through these sense apertures, the light of awareness, as it were, goes out to illumine the various objects of the world. The knowledge in me pouring out through the eyes becomes the power of vision and illumines for me all the forms and colors of the world. Similarly, ears hear and the tongue tastes. From the one self, the fire of knowledge shoot out beams of light which emerge from each window in the body to illumine one aspect of the world outside. When through each sense organ in the body the light of intelligence shines brightly to become aware of the world outside and judge it correctly, it is known that sattva is predominant. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.